Hello guys, today I have a video here about professional Blowtorch model number GF-878. This is a powerful machine here, so you can able to use it in different things, cooking and pizza and all the good stuff. I can bring it closer, you can see what this thing can do. This is the brand, is the Finether, Finether. So you can do a lot of things you can do. Sorry for the glare right there, and let me let you read from the bottom what you can really do with this stuff. You can melt cheese, toast bread, glazed ham and other meats, welding. So a lot of stuff you can do. It gives you, this is a butane lighter, butane touch. It's a professional one for culinary art. So here you can see all the goodies and big nozzle it has. And the other thing again, here is the adjuster for the flame. And here is the trigger. Okay, here is where you can hold on to. Your arm's gonna be underneath here and your finger's gonna be as a trigger. And here is the child safety lock, so kids can't tamper with that at all. So if they mess around, goofing around, they can't able to do anything. They have to have the knowledge to be pressed right here. So keep it away from kids. Don't try it at home, because kids are very smart. They watch what you do. This thing features up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit of heat, and which is 1,300 degrees Celsius. So it's really hot. So you see that it's mentioned as piezo ignition, a butane power, child safety lock. That's right there. So guys, this is the machine. Let's open up and see how it works. Stay tuned, subscribe and like, share. Alright guys, this is the device. I already took it out. The thing is, you can see is the adjustments right here. You can able to turn and adjust how you want it, clockwise, anti-clockwise. If you go clockwise, you put in more the positive and negative on the other side. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. Look at the big nozzle here. Let's see if we can see the flints coming out from this guy. Oh, there you go. See that? Let's see how this thing is. You're gonna see it gives you more flames. Well, unfortunately guys, you just cut it's out of butane. You see it's empty till the max, and the container is empty. So you recharge it at the bottom right here. You can buy the container and recharge it. You have to go upside down and pressurize it, and for 10 seconds. So 10 seconds, make sure you let it full, and you can see some kind of spill a little bit, but don't just fire it up right away, because it's gonna cause if the excess one is just around, it's gonna probably caught on fire. See that this is rice gripping stuff, and it's really big. You can put your finger right there to more support and put the child safety and fire up the device right away. So I suppose this one can do a pretty good job, doing welding and making cake in the kitchen, pizza and all the good stuff. So I just decided to show you guys. So when I get the butane, then we can do a test. Okay, so that was just a little one inside the container, the gas, because I know probably they drain it before ship it. So we can do a test on my next video. Stay tuned for part 2. Love you guys all. JW Solo USA, live from Minnesota. Bye for now.